Still checking your Windows 10 battery percentage the old-fashioned way? What if you could get a clean battery bar right on your desktop? In this video, I'll show you how to add a stylish battery bar to Windows 10 using a simple app. First, download and install a BatteryBar app for Windows 10. Once installed, you'll see a battery indicator appear on your taskbar or desktop. It shows your remaining battery percentage at a glance. Now you can instantly see how much battery is left without opening additional menus. And that's it. Your Windows 10 now has a convenient battery bar. If this trick helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips.